2021 is here, salon owners. Are you ready? What does that look like for you? A common problem I see a lot of salon owners making right now is they don't know how to look backward to help them go forward. The KPIs, the performance, the habits, the results of 2020. How do we look at those and actually get something out of them so that we can plan for 2021? Do you even know if you're going to be open, shut? You know the whole thing. It is uncertain times and we have to know how to react. But how can we possibly given all the things going on? So when I talk to salon owners, my people in my programs and taking my courses, one of the biggest thing everyone feels at the moment is they don't know how to look back and how then to apply that to go forward. My students are really lucky they have access to the Ascend Salon method and the structure around what are the key things to look back. Salon owners get stuck on the KPIs, the performance, the money, all the reports that just come from their computer booking system. They're accountants, they're things that come through that way. But really, as a business, there is so many more measurable things you need to look at that can give you insights into how your business actually performed last year and the year before and the year before that. Of course, we can't compare 2020 when we were shut and we had closed downs and lockdowns to other years. But there are things that we can measure around the times we were opened and also the performance of some of our platforms, our teams, and our customer behaviour. And they are the things we really need to look at, but we need to look at it with a very clear structure so we can see the highlights and the lowlights, so we can see the things that we need to lean into and work more on, the things that did work for us, because 2020 was not a disaster all round for everything. You could have really grown a really good return client base. You could have really upped the amount of money each client spends when they come in, or the amount of times they come between visits around all the other things going on. Are you attracting a great amount of clients? Are they recommending friends? There's lots of things in your business that are measurable through people and their appointments. But also look at your team. Did you nurture them? Did you connect with your community? Did your team show up and behave better? Did you have good structures that worked? Which ones didn't? Which ones do you need to lean into? Which ones do you need to throw out? There's a lot of things in your business that you can measure to work out how to go forward. And for the next couple of weeks in the Salon Owner Society, a Facebook group that is just for salon owners, I'm going to be unpacking each part of the Ascend Salon method and really looking and encouraging you to look into your business and see the things that you can pull out of that, because unless we look backwards and analyse what happened and take something from it, it's no point going for the best year yet, going for the breakthrough year. Let's just make 2020 all one about me, because how can we do that when we don't really know where we're going, when we don't know what we learned, when we don't know how to actually process 2021 and make a place for it in our business? So come and join me. There's a link somewhere around this video, and over the next couple of weeks I'm going to be doing mini trainings all about the Ascend Salon method, about attraction in your business, structure and connection, about empowering and nurtured development of relationships, and also about delegation. What worked for you in your business, what can you pivot and change, and what 5% of activities can you lean into that just no matter what 2021 looks like, your business will survive. So see you in there.